Hey doll, so I'm back. Sorry, I got some makeup on my shirts. I don't know how this lighting is, if it's good, if it's bad, what it is, but well, guess we will see. Let's see. Anyways, I'm coming to show you dolls this hair. So this hair is from Tuneful hair. This is the box that it came in, and I already had cut the lace off and everything previously. So in this video I'm just kind of showing you how to do a quick glueless method. I didn't even sew in any elastic bands or anything like that. Sorry y'all, my eye is watering. Freaking allergies, I guess. But yeah, I really didn't do much to this hair. I did co-wash it first because in the first video it was just way too much and just crazy all over the place. And like I said, I had already cut the lace off and stuff in the first video. So this video is just kind of showing you how to do like a glueless method with it. Really quick, easy, simple, out the door. I don't know, the lace color on this hair doesn't match for me as well. It's kind of more of a gray tone. So let me show you how it looks. So the curls are really cute. This is the back. I'm gonna pull up the email and tell you the details on it. I believe it's a deep wave. There is a discount code. The discount code is Princess10 to save 10% off, and I will put the links down below for this hair. This wig is a 360 lace frontal wig, loose deep, and it's 24 inches. The hair density is 150, so you know that's kind of like the standard, so that's not like the super more full one or whatever. Like I prefer like 180 or so, because this is more of a natural type look. The hair color is the natural color. The lace color is medium brown. I need probably light brown or transparent because this lace is kind of more of a gray tone. Like it does not match my skin. I don't know if y'all can see it. I didn't lay it on this side. It's too dark for my hair and for my skin and everything in general. The cap construction is a lace frontal wig, and this is a cap size medium, 22 to 22.5. I prefer a small cap so that it can be really snug, but I was still able to adjust the straps and crisscross them to get them to be pretty snug. And as you can see, the wig doesn't really move, and I haven't glued it down at all. The only thing I did was laid these baby hairs down with some eco styling gel. So this wig is not secure at all. You can literally pull it up and then put it back down. If y'all can see that, my baby hairs weren't completely dry, but they will kind of stay molded in the shape if you mold them down first or whatever. So this is a really easy glueless type method. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so this is me with my hair still tied up, and then here I'm showing you how the wave and curl pattern is on this hair. Then I'm just gonna pop the wig onto my head, and then I'm gonna kind of pull it up to line it up and everything, just adjusting the wig and applying it to my head, of course. And then I'm gonna cut off extra lace because, as you can see, since the lace doesn't match, it makes it noticeable and you can see the line of demarcation. So you want to cut the lace back as much as you can so that it will blend in better, especially since it's going to be glueless. So you can see here how the lace looks on my skin. So I am just going to go in with my scissors in a zigzag motion and just trim off as much lace as I can, just to cut off the excess. So the part where I had my baby hairs kind of I am kind of cutting it off, and then I'm going to just make new baby hairs. So I'm just cutting it back, and as you can see, it definitely blends in a lot better when you cut off that excess lace. And with this method, you can still pluck it, but you know, you don't want to pluck it too much because the lace doesn't really match. But I am going to use some powder to conceal that later on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just straightening up my parts, and then I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of water. I didn't even go in with my hot comb or anything on this wig. So I'm just combing it into place and just pushing everything down and everything like that. So now you can see how it looks. The lace definitely blends in a lot better already. And at this point, you don't have to do any baby hairs if you don't want to. You can still go in with your powder like I'm doing here, just so that it will match your skin tone better. And then I'm just going to spray it with some water. Like I said, you can stop after this step and you don't really have to do the baby hairs if you don't want to. And then you already kind of have a glueless method. I would say add an elastic band if you want extra security. So now you can see here, it definitely is blending into the skin really, really good. But then I'm just going to do a little bit of baby hairs, just 2 little ones in the front, just to kind of complete the look off. So I just pulled out a little bit of hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim it down using my shears. A lot of times I like to use my eyebrow razor, but this is what I had right there at the moment, so that's what I used. So I just cut off a little bit of hair, and then I'm just going to slick it back in a baby hair motion. Like I said, if you don't like baby hairs, you don't have to do this. You can just leave it with the part just like how it was before this clip. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, of course, to make it match. So simple, right? And at first I was about to do another little section of baby hair, but I decided not to because this is really the only thing that's showing. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side once again and just molding down the baby hairs. So that's pretty much it. Really simple, right? Okay, y'all, so that is it for this hair. I hope you enjoyed it. It's glueless. It's really easy, very simple. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't have much else to say about this hair. I love you, dolls. Thank you for watching. Bye, dolls. J. Rossi B.